this rat rod here, we're just showing you really quickly. It's a Cavalier gas tank. I had to change out the pump assembly. This is a new pump assembly in here. This is a clip. When you hit these, see right in here, use a brass chisel to knock them out so there's no spark. You knock it and that will take this out and move it the other way. When it's putting it back on, it's to the opposite direction. You get into this corner here, or here, or here, and tap it, and there's a groove. Once the groove clicks in, the seal is sealed inside of it. Alright, so that's quick to show you. This is the old assembly here. We got some of the parts. Alright, this is a quick video on how to put an assembly in.